Hello everyone, it's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do another cord, and this one is a braid cord. Now there's a little trick in here. You need to make sure that you hold on to your yarn as you're doing the different stitches pull through, but I'll make note of that as we go. So to start off, we're going to use a slip knot. From here, you're going to do a chain one, and you're going to insert that hook right into the slip knot. After you get through that slip knot, you're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll have 2 loops on your hook now. And the next thing you're going to do is yarn over and pull through those 2 loops on your hook. Still now 1 loop on your hook. You can see the 2. And you're going to go into the loop closest to you, yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. Now this can be a little tricky because that second loop is going to want to twist and slip off. So make sure that you're holding on and going through that. So you're going to go through that loop, the closest one, the first one on your hook, yarn over and pull that yarn through those 2 loops. It is a little easier to do with a bigger yarn like this, but it just takes some practice. You've got to hold on and make sure you get both of those loops that are on your hook as you pull through. And as you go on, it kind of makes a braid. It kind of reminds me of that braided bread that sometimes you see that it's homemade. But it does make a very nice cord. It has a great pattern to it and can be used for just about anything. You can use any size yarn. I'm only using this larger yarn, which is the Bernat Big Yarn, just for purposes of demonstration so that you can really see the stitch. So after you have finished your very last braid, you can pull your yarn through, and that's finishing off that cord. So again, a really cool looking cord. It has a nice stretch to it, and both sides are pretty cool looking. If you have any questions, let me know. As always, peace, love, and happiness to you all. Take care. Don't forget to check Epic Yarn Gems on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and also at our Etsy shop. Have a good day.